The world has always looked to skyscrapers as symbols of ambition and power. From the Empire State Building to the Burj Khalifa, these towering structures were physical proof that humanity could conquer the sky. They were strong, beautiful, and awe-inspiring. Yet, for all their magnificence, they have always been passive creations, cold, rigid structures incapable of anything beyond what we designed them to do. Until now. Today, right before our eyes, the first true living skyscraper is being born. A structure not just operated by humans, but one that can operate itself. A building that doesn't just react, it thinks, it learns, and it adapts. The world's first artificial intelligence-powered skyscraper is officially under construction, and it's about to change everything we know about cities, architecture, and even what it means to build. This next-generation skyscraper is rising within Saudi Arabia's futuristic megaproject, NEOM. At the center of NEOM's ambitious plans stands the Muqab, a towering cube so massive that you could fit more than 20 Empire State Buildings inside it. But what sets this structure apart isn't just its size. It's the intelligence woven into its foundation. Unlike traditional skyscrapers, where systems for lighting, temperature, security, and maintenance are managed separately and manually, this skyscraper is being designed to run itself through artificial intelligence. Thousands of sensors embedded across its surface and interior will feed real-time data into a powerful network of machine learning algorithms, allowing the building to dynamically optimize everything from energy usage to human comfort without the need for constant human intervention. Imagine stepping into a skyscraper where the walls themselves are aware of you. Where lighting adjusts automatically, not just based on your movements, but based on your mood, the weather outside, even the natural circadian rhythms of your body. Where elevators predict where you are going before you even press a button, arriving at just the right moment to take you there. Where the building learns the patterns of its occupants and reshapes its internal systems accordingly, minimizing energy during lulls, ramping up services during peaks, and constantly evolving its own blueprint in real time to serve human needs better than any static plan ever could. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. But the real breakthrough goes deeper than convenience. Sustainability is at the heart of this project. Today, skyscrapers are notorious energy hogs, responsible for enormous amounts of a city's carbon emissions. But an artificial intelligence-powered skyscraper could revolutionize this entirely. By monitoring every watt of electricity, every drop of water, every breath of air passing through its systems, the building can optimize itself for maximum efficiency every second of every day. Water leaks could be detected and sealed automatically. Solar panels could adjust their angles for peak performance by the hour. Heating and cooling systems could respond dynamically to both external weather patterns and internal usage. The result? A structure that doesn't just minimize waste, it actively fights it. And it doesn't stop there. With massive amounts of data pouring in about how people live and move inside the building, artificial intelligence systems will also be able to predict and improve quality of life in ways never before possible. Office layouts could subtly shift based on employee collaboration patterns. Retail spaces could reconfigure themselves according to shopping trends. Even emergency systems could evolve, learning from simulations and real-world data to better respond to fires, earthquakes, or security threats. In the world of artificial intelligence skyscrapers, adaptation isn't a future feature, it's a fundamental principle of survival. However, as with every leap forward, there are shadows that stretch alongside the light. Embedding artificial intelligence into the very skin of our buildings means surrendering some measure of control. If every movement, every habit, every conversation inside a building is monitored, even for the sake of optimization, how long before privacy is erased completely? Who owns the oceans of data generated every second inside these artificial intelligence environments? The developers? The government? A foreign entity? And more alarmingly, what happens if these intelligent buildings are hacked? Could entire skyscrapers be locked down, sabotaged, even weaponized by malicious actors exploiting weaknesses in the AI control systems? The stakes are enormous. The same neural networks that can predict maintenance failures and optimize human comfort could also, in the wrong hands, be used to manipulate, restrict, or even endanger the people living and working inside them. In a future where buildings are alive, cybersecurity will no longer be an afterthought, it will be as critical as the physical foundation itself. Despite these risks, the momentum is unstoppable. Around the world, the artificial intelligence skyscraper revolution is spreading. In Tokyo, smart towers are being fitted with adaptive artificial intelligence systems that manage everything from office energy loads to transportation logistics. In Dubai, construction firms are racing to integrate AI into new mega projects rising across the desert. In Toronto and Shanghai, urban planning committees are pushing to redesign entire districts around intelligent infrastructure, believing that cities that learn will outcompete cities that don't. We are at the start of a seismic shift, not just in how buildings are built, but in what buildings are. For the first time in human history, we are constructing structures that won't just shelter life, they will interact with it. Buildings will no longer be static entities. They will be living, evolving ecosystems, learning with every passing moment, adapting to human needs in ways we can barely predict. And in doing so, they will quietly begin reshaping not just cities, but civilization itself. The world's first artificial intelligence skyscraper isn't just an innovation in architecture. It's a signal that the boundaries between machine and environment are starting to blur. A hint that the future isn't just something we build with concrete and steel, it's something we grow with data, intelligence, and adaptation. As construction crews lay the foundations for this new wonder, another foundation is being laid too, one that will underpin the cities, the cultures, and the economies of the next century. A foundation where humanity will no longer simply shape its environment, but where the environment, for the first time, will shape humanity back. And standing at the center of it all, rising floor by floor into the sky, is a single building. A building that will watch you, learn from you, adapt to you, and maybe, someday, even anticipate you before you know what you want yourself. The first living skyscraper. The first real artificial intelligence city. The first glimpse of the world we're building, and the world that's quietly beginning to build itself. This is not just a new chapter in architecture. It's a new chapter in life on Earth.